Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at one of the best Christmas novelty gifts you can grab this season. The HOVACY Christmas Headbands and Costume Headwear Set. If you're looking to add instant holiday spirit to your parties, family gatherings, or school events, this set might be exactly what you need. Let's start with what comes in the box. This set includes 12 different Christmas-themed headbands, each with a unique design. You get Santa hats, mini Christmas trees, snowmen, reindeer antlers, a HOHOHO bow, and several other festive toppers. The variety really stands out because no two headbands look the same, which means everyone can choose a style that matches their mood or personality. Whether you're hosting a Christmas party or dressing up for fun holiday photos, there's something here for everyone. Now, let's talk build quality and comfort. These headbands are made from lightweight plastic and soft materials, which make them comfortable to wear for long periods of time. They're designed with good elasticity, so they stretch just enough to fit most head sizes. That means kids, adults, and even those with thicker hair can wear them without discomfort. The construction feels sturdy for novelty headwear, and they don't feel flimsy or fragile when you move around, dance, or take photos. The next thing worth mentioning is the usability. These headbands are simple, fun, and require no setup. You just put them on and instantly have a festive accessory. They're great for Christmas parades, school spirit days, office parties, Christmas photo shoots, or even just adding a little cheer to a casual day at home. Because the pack includes 12 pieces, it's also perfect for sharing with family, classmates, coworkers, or friends at holiday gatherings. In terms of care, the headbands are recommended to be hand-washed only. Since the toppers are made with detailed designs, hand washing keeps them in good shape and preserves the materials. With simple care, these pieces can last beyond one season, making them reusable year after year. The product page also highlights that these headbands fall under Christmas costume accessories and party favors. Being lightweight and compact, they are easy to store after use. They also make great stocking stuffers, holiday game prizes, or Christmas Eve box editions. The brand focuses on festive styling with a mix of playful and classic Christmas looks that appeal to both kids and adults. This product also holds an Amazon's Choice badge in its category and ranks very high in kids' party headwear, which shows it's a popular buy among holiday shoppers. While it does not include lighting features like some novelty accessories do, the bright festive colors and detailed toppers still stand out visually in photos and at parties. To recap the experience, this set brings together quality materials, playful designs, comfort, and great variety. It's perfect if you're looking for a simple way to spread cheer or want festive accessories that instantly enhance the holiday vibe. Whether you're a parent, teacher, event planner, or just someone who loves Christmas fun, these headbands make the celebration feel more special. If you're planning ahead for holiday gatherings, playful photo booth props, or themed events, this is definitely a fun item to consider. It's a great blend of value, design, and usability, and easily one of those purchases that gets everyone smiling and in the holiday spirit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoy discovering seasonal and practical products like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay festive, and I'll see you in the next review.